Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is part 1 of the chapter where we would introduce trigonometry to you. The word trigonometry comes from the Greek words tri, that means 3, gon, that means sides. We know that triangle has 3 sides, and then metron, that means to measure. Trigonometry is the study of relationships between angles and sides of a triangle. Trigonometry developed in India for the same reason that it did in the rest of the ancient world, to solve astronomy problems. Applications of trigonometry are also found in engineering, physics, and architectural design. Now, that was literal meaning of trigonometry. Before starting, let's try to get some more sense of what it means and why do we use it with the help of these examples. Suppose the students of a school are visiting Qutub Minar. Now, if a student is looking at the top of the Minar, a right triangle can be imagined to be made as shown here. Can the student find out the height of the Minar without actually measuring it? Let's take another situation. Suppose a girl is sitting on the balcony of a house located on the bank of a river. She is looking down at a flower pot placed on a stair of a temple situated nearby on the other bank of the river. A right triangle is imagined to be made in this situation, as shown here. If you know the height at which the person is sitting, can you find the width of the river? Let's see one more case. Suppose a hot air balloon is flying in the air. A girl happens to spot the balloon in the sky at a point A. In some time, it had traveled to another point B. Can you find the altitude of B from the ground? In all these situations, the distances or the heights can be found by using trigonometry. In this chapter, we will study some ratios of the sides of a right triangle with respect to its acute angles, called trigonometric ratios of the angles. We will restrict our discussion to acute angles only. However, these ratios can be extended to other angles also. We will also define the trigonometric ratios for angles of measure 0 and 90 degree. We will calculate trigonometric ratios for some specific angles and establish some identities involving these ratios called trigonometric identities. All this and more coming up in our next video on trigonometry. So, subscribe to the channel if not already. We are coming up with the next part very shortly.